AMD has recently launched their Ryzen 7 5800X 3D processor, and they claim it to be the world's fastest gaming CPU. It's their first processor to feature 3D V-Cache technology with boosted overall performance. But how good is it compared to Intel's i9-12900K? In this video, we will compare them head-on to see which one emerges victorious. So, without further ado, let's get started. Ryzen 7 5800X 3D retails for about $449 and has 18 cores and 16 threads. It has a 3.4 GHz of base clock that can be overclocked to up to 4.5 GHz boost clock speed. You also get 96 MB of L3 cache, all thanks to the 3D V-Cache within a TDP rating of 105 watts. i9-12900K on the other hand has a retail price of around $600 with 16 cores and 24 threads. Within the 16 cores, you get 8 performance and 8 efficiency cores for optimal performance. Base frequency starts at as low as 2.40 GHz that can be cranked up to 5.20 GHz through Intel's Turbo Boost technology. And lastly, you get 30 MB of Intel Smart Cache for reliable multitasking. With that out of the way, let's talk about performance. According to TechSpot's testing of both of these processors paired up with an RTX 3090 Ti, we are looking at an almost identical level of performance on both of these processors. However, 5800X 3D did perform a little better at 1080p resolution in F1 2021, while we get to see the 12900K getting an upper hand in 1440p and 4K resolution. In summary, the gaming performance of these CPUs is nearly the same. Though slight changes can be seen at 1080p resolution, at 4K, the FPS output is similar as the games get GPU bound. Keep in mind that the 5800X 3D was paired with DDR4 modules while DDR5 sticks were used with i9-12900K. It is safe to say that the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D is indeed a capable gaming processor. It costs way less and delivers almost the same raw performance as the i9-12900K. However, if both of these processors were using DDR4 RAM, you could expect a 7 to 8% performance gain on the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D. So, that was all about the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D versus Intel i9-12900K debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.